think about what value this tripod has for us. For us, it may be a day of celebration. But why did we come to this day? It was because of those people who had fought day in, day out to make the country independent, free. Does this freedom speak about only in words, in celebrations and programs? I don't think so. It should be a mind which is free, the thoughts which are free. It should be an inclusive program in the offices, in the schools, and every word of Indian citizens should be heard. You know, whenever, I know everyone is feeling the same, whenever we are unfurling this tripod, it's an emotion. You get goosebumps. It's not just because the flag which is going high up. It speaks about a country which has so many languages to speak, so many traditions, cultures, cuisines to follow. It doesn't happen in any other country like India. ভারতবর্ষ সূর্যের এক নাম, আমরা রয়েছি সেই সূর্যের দেশে. Yes, and you see, after so many rainy days, you see the sun high up to see that India indeed is a shining country. It will shine even brighter, and I have all the faith, the trust on my students, the teachers, the leaders, the principals and the VCs who are there to not only educate the children and the students, to let the children know that after education comes, are you loving your motherland? সত্যি কি তোমরা ভালোবাসো তোমাদের দেশকে? তাহলে think about it highly. Think about your country by that means as if it's your mother. Wherever you go, fly high, but be rooted. আমি ছোট্ট দুটো গল্প বলবো, তার মধ্যে একটা অনেকেই হয়তো জানি না। আমি 8:30টার সময় আমাদের গড়িয়া স্কুলেও ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে প্রোগ্রাম ছিল, আই ওয়াজ দে। সুজয়, অনিত এবং আমাদের সাথে যারা অনেক অনেক বছর আছে, they very well know what is the sentiment of this Korea campus. This Netaji College was the first of all in our group when Sir thought of privatizing engineering education. And it is just behind those premises is our Korea school. And I remember আমাদের প্রথম বছরের বাচ্চারা, it was only a 2 years course in those days, West Bengal board 11-12 চলত, and প্রথম বছরের ফেয়ারওয়েলে একটি ছেলে এসে বলল যে ম্যাম আমি চলে যাচ্ছি, I'm going for engineering education to Bangalore, but I want to gift you something. ও আমাকে ছোট্ট করে একটা কবিতা লিখে, he gifted me. You won't believe the lyrics of a class 12 boy. And fortunately, I feel so blessed. ঠিক 8 ঘন্টা পরে আরেকটি ছেলে এসে বলল যে ম্যাম, you know, we are so good friends together. Can I have some tunes, some music added to these lyrics? The song was made. It was about the techno family. Till now, it's 20 years past. Every program, we sing, the students, the teachers, it has become the techno anthem. It talks about the teachers, the student, the environment of an educational institute, and you feel proud when these lyrics are written by one of our alumni.